Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Ground. So today we are going to do the daily coding challenge of 18th October. That is maximum number of distinct elements after operations. So let's read what the question is. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Okay, so we are having an array of integers and we are having a single integer that is k. So you are allowed to perform the following operation on each element of the array at most once. Okay. So we are given an operation and we are going to perform that operation on every element of the array nums uh, at most once. So we can perform or we can skip performing that operation on that element. Okay. Add an integer in the range. This is the operation. Add an integer in the range minus k to k to the element. Okay, so we are given an integer, right? K. So in the range minus k to k. So if the integer is, let's suppose the integer k is 2. So in the range minus 2 to 2. In the range minus 2 to 2, what are the numbers we'll get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. So in the range minus k to k, uh, we are going to add we are going to select one number in that range and add it to the current integer on which we are performing the operation. And yeah, this is the operation we are going to perform and return the maximum possible number of distinct elements in nums after performing the operation. Okay, after performing this operation on each element of the array, we are going to return the number of distinct elements in that array. Okay, so let's see with let's try to understand with one example. So we are given the array nums 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4, and the integer k is 2. Okay, so we are going to perform the operation on each element. So let's see. Uh, First, on the element 1. On the element 1, if we do minus 2, in the range minus 2 to 2, we have minus 2. So if we are going to add minus 2 to 1, it will become minus 1. Okay. And for 2, we are going to add again minus 2, it will become 0. For 2, we are going to add minus 1, it will become 1. And for this 3, we are going to add minus 1, it will become 2. And for this 3, we are going to add 0, it will become 3. And for this 4, we are going to add 0 again, it will become 4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 distinct integers after performing that operation on all the elements. Okay. So yeah, the problem statement is clear, and one example we have tried to understand, and that is clear. Okay, so what will be the approach? See, the approach is going to be very simple. For each element, we are going to select an element which is greater than the element minus k. See, for let's comment. Let me comment here. Let's suppose we are having an integer. Uh, let's say we are having num. That is the integer. So we are going to select an element which is num greater than num minus k. Okay, and which will be greater than num minus k, and it will be uh, prev plus 1. So what is this previous plus 1? So here see, here the integer is minus 1. So previous plus 1 will be 0. So in this way we are going to do the problem. So for this we need the sorted array. So here nowhere in the question it is mentioned that we are going to get a sorted array. So let's sort the array. Arrays dot sort of nums. Okay. So we'll have one integer that is answer, that will be distinct elements equals to 0, and we'll have one previous that will be integer dot min value, because this is the least value we can use as a previous. Okay, so now let's start. For int num in nums, we'll get the current element. Current equals to uh, what will be the current? It will be math dot min of math dot max of num minus k, comma, uh, we are having previous, right? Previous plus 1. Because previous plus 1 can also be less than num minus k. So we are going to take the max of them both. If the previous is integer dot min value, and previous plus 1 will be integer dot min value plus 1, and that may be less than num minus k, but at most we are allowed to subtract k from the num. So we are not allowed to make the value as integer dot min value plus 1. So here, to handle this case, we are having math.min of math.max of num minus k and previous plus 1, and then num plus k. Yeah, so this will be the current, and if current is greater than previous, what is going to happen? uh, distinct elements plus equals to 1, because we've got another distinct element, because the current is greater than previous, and now the previous equals to current. Yeah, so our current will be the next previous. So in this way we are going to solve, and now return the distinct elements. Yeah, so I think this should work. Let's see. Mm, distinct elements, distinct, I have written here, sorry. Yeah, distinct elements return. Yeah, so the sample test cases have passed, and let's submit this question. Excellent. So all the test cases have passed, and we have a beats of 96.55%, which I think is impressive. So this is one of the best ways in which we can solve this question. So yeah, this is it for today. Hope you liked the video. Hope I explained well. Please do like the video, comment to keep me motivated, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that is all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.